Hey everybody, I'm Steff and welcome back to my beauty stash. We are in Western mood today because this just landed in my stash a couple hours ago. This is the brand new Urban Decay Naked Wild West eyeshadow palette. You guys know I'm a huge fan of Urban Decay cosmetics. I have been wearing Urban Decay for years, like easily 15 years. Has it been that long? A really long time. They are just one of my favorite brands and I tend to collect the naked palettes. So this was gonna be a no-brainer for me, whether I was gonna pick it up or not. And guys, I love that lizard or snake print on the back of the palette. Just really cool, really pretty. I think they did a nice design with packaging. And of course, this is that hard plastic palette, which is great. This retails for $49 on the Sephora website, and you do get 12 different shades. It's a mixture of mattes and shimmers in there. And of course, you do have the brush and the mirror. So we are going to be diving into this palette today. I'm going to show you guys some swatches, which unfortunately are not going to be in sunlight because it is a rainy day, rainy couple days here in South Texas. But I'll definitely show you some arm swatches before we get into the two-look tutorial with this palette. We are also, in case you haven't been watching my last few videos, this week is Love Fest week here in Steff's Beauty Stash. We are celebrating, or not celebrating, we're just celebrating love this week. So I am dedicating this video with this gorgeous palette to all my girlfriends out there. This is gonna be my Galentine's Day look, my Galentine's Day video for all you besties out there who are gonna be celebrating together. Let's see what this palette can do. If you wanna see this two-look eyeshadow tutorial and review over the new Urban Decay Naked Wild West palette, keep on watching. I want to give you a couple heads up as to a couple of the products that I'm going to be using in this video. One of them being, which I just applied, and that is the NYX Proof It Waterproof Eyeshadow Primer. And then I will be going in with my new BK Beauty brushes. This is the Essentials brush set with the added 206 blending brush that I picked up. BK Beauty was so kind. After I featured them on my Instagram and of course on my YouTube channel, they immediately reached out to me and wanted to give me a code for you guys. It is not an affiliate code. I do not make any money, but I'm gonna put it down here. It is Steff10, and that will save you 10% off your next BK Beauty order. So thank you, BK Beauty. Thank you, Lisa J, for giving all of you viewers out there this code so that I can share with you guys. Great brush set. I've been using this the last couple days in my last few videos and I could not be more pleased. So these will be the brushes that I'm predominantly going to be using, but of course I might dip into some of the other brushes that I have in my stash. So guys, let's get started with look number one. Alright guys, so these are the two completed looks using the brand new Urban Decay Naked Wild West palette in honor of Galentine's 2021. What do you think of the looks I created? You're probably thinking, Steph, what do these shades have to do with Valentine's? Well, it's Galentine's. You can easily wear this palette to go have a great time with your girlfriends. But now, guys, let me give you my review and my thoughts over this new Naked palette from Urban Decay. Love the packaging. I think it's beautiful. It's that typical plastic packaging. It's very durable. This is not something that's going to get broken and the shadows are going to be everywhere. This is a pretty solid packaging. On the back, you have, you know, the ingredients and stuff. It does say it's good for 24 months after opening. And yeah, just love the packaging altogether. And it is that typical standard size of all of the Naked palettes. When you open it up, of course, you have the mirror and you do get the brush. And I use the brush. Here it is. Sometimes I do use the brushes that come with these Naked palettes, and sometimes I don't, but they seem to be pretty good quality brushes. You have a flat brush right here. That's what I use to put the shimmer shades on, and then you have this other fluffy blending brush on this side. So I think it's really nice, especially if you forget your makeup brushes, at least you have one in the palette, and you can pretty much do any look using that dual-ended brush. And of course, you have the 12 different shades, which are a mixture of mattes and shimmers. Now, is this a unique color story? No, it's not. One of you guys out there commented that this reminded you a lot of Wet n Wild, Not a Basic Peach, and I will insert a picture of that here, and let me hold up this palette so you can see what it looks like. They are both very similar. I don't have that Wet n Wild palette. I used to have it, but I have since decluttered it since I welcomed that new formula into my stash. But if you have that one, then you have, you know, a lot of the same shades. I think that most of you have these shades already amongst your other eyeshadow palettes. I don't think this is a palette you need to run out the door and buy immediately. It's not one that's going to sell out either. These are just basic neutral shades that represent the Wild West. And I would say that, you know, it's an accurate name for the palette, Wild West, with these shades. I can totally see that. Now, what about the performance of the shadows? Well, I didn't get any fallout, so A+ on that. There is kick up in the pan. That has never bothered me, but if it bothers you, just be careful. I mean, it's there. You can kind of see maybe just a little bit, well, not really, but maybe with this shade, you can kind of see that. I didn't have any problems with them not being pigmented. I mean, they really are pigmented. I was really impressed with Ghost Town right here. Ghost Town, pretty solid, pretty pigmented shade. The shimmers, I didn't wet them. I didn't have to wet them. The only one I wet was the shade Bud right here, but that was because I was doing it on the inner corner on this eye. But other than that, the shades I placed on the lid, I didn't have to wet them. You can. It will intensify the shimmer, but I wanted to try and see what it was like without wetting them, and they performed pretty well. I thought that everything just blended out and into each other really nicely. I mean, I didn't have any patchiness. I didn't have any issues with blending anything. Everything just worked well. But to be honest, guys, I don't usually have problems with Urban Decay eyeshadow. I know some people have spoken out about the quality or lack thereof in their more recent palettes. And I don't know. I don't know what it is, but guys, I can honestly tell you, and you saw me apply all of these shadows, they all went on well. I had zero issues with any of them. It's a pretty solid palette, but it is not, you know, the most unique color story. Like I said, you probably do have this palette already in your stash. It is a $49 eyeshadow palette. You do get 12 shades. It is Urban Decay. So this palette is going to be for those of you out there who are a fan of Urban Decay, who collect the Naked palettes, who want to update your neutral palette, or who just, you know, want some new makeup in your life. Do you need to spend $49 to get this color story, to get these looks? Absolutely not. You can find amazing palettes with almost identical color stories at the drugstore. So guys, the verdict for me on this palette is it's getting a thumbs up. I thoroughly enjoyed working with it, no problems, and it definitely earned its place in my stash today. These looks are all for you girlies out there who are going to be celebrating Galentine's this year. I wish you all nothing but love and happiness on this Valentine's Day week. Be sure to check back tomorrow for day 5, where I'm going to have a foundation review, which I am wearing it right now, and it is the new Marc Jacobs Extra Shot concealer and foundation. Let me know your thoughts. Sound off in the comments down below. I want to thank you guys so much for watching another one of my videos. You all have a great day or night, wherever it is you all are at. Stay hydrated, guys. Drink your water. Cheers. And I will see you all very soon. Bye.